Hello, your girl is back. I've received so many products from revair, and I'm excited. I'm going to show you guys what I got in the box. And ta-da! That's the content of the box. It comes in 2 sets. The first one, this one is for length retention and fullness of the hair. Yeah. And I'm gonna do another video where I'm using them so you can see the before and after. Now let's move on to the second bag, and it's this set is for hydration, and it comes with like a total of about 4 products, 4 or 5, yeah, five products, and I cannot wait to use them. I have deep conditioner in there. There's something for the scalp. So it's a bunch of good products. I can feel it, and I cannot wait. Okay, so stay tuned for the rest of the products. This one is the cleansing shampoo. And the leave-in conditioning spray.